Hey friends, I've got kind of an interesting video for you today, and this is a different kind of product that we normally review. Now this is 100% silicone scar gel. It's made by HealFast. Now I've been using these type of silicone products for a while because I've been dealing with some spots of basal cell skin cancer on my face. Fortunately, when it's on your face, a highly visible area, they have to cut in, remove the spot, and then you're left with stitches and potential really bad scarring. So doing proper scar care for me has been really important. Now, one of the reasons I really like silicone gel is you can use this on places like your face during the day when you're out and about doing things, instead of some of the other silicone products that are available and out there. Now, some of the other things you may have seen are the silicone strips, and those you can place on your face or a scar area, and those are best at night because, again, you're not going out and being visible. Now, as you may or may not be able to see, I'm currently working on a scar, again, because it's a highly visible place up here on my forehead. I've now been using this gel. Now, I actually had another one over here. You can't even see the scar anymore because of the silicone products. So let me show you how this works. Now, basically, it's in this little pump system, and we're gonna pump out just enough to cover up that area. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cover this with the silicone gel, and you're going to massage for between 3 and 5 minutes or until that silicone has dried. Now, again, part of this healing process is the massaging. And so whether or not it's actually the silicone or the massaging, I think it's a combination of both. And that's what's really cleared things up nicely for me. Now, typically when you're using this, you wanna wait 2 to 3 weeks until the wound completely closes. You don't want to be using this on any kind of an open wound. So what the doctor recommended for me was to use Vaseline, and we just place Vaseline over the wound. You don't want it to scab up, and that will allow things to close and heal really nicely. And then you start using the silicone after that 3-week period when everything is closed up. So again, silicone gel, really nice to have, especially for daytime hours when you need to go out and about and you still want to be doing some good scar care. Hopefully that helps, friends. Again, a cool little product. I definitely love these things. Highly recommend the silicone treatment. You can find this stuff right here on Amazon. Thanks for watching. I hope that helped a little bit. Again, a different style video for us, but we have tons of these product review videos we'd like to do to help make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.